Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to get free items in Roblox guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. First open up browser, search Roblox, click on Roblox website. Make sure you logged in your Roblox account guys. You just need to click on marketplace. In here you can find the free items over here guys, available free items. And on left side you just need to scroll down. Under the price low to high, you just need to select it, just get refreshing. After that you can able to see every free items over here guys. You can get all of these free items, everything is free. You just need to click on the item you like it, click on the buy option, click on get now, then click on continue. It will be added to your Roblox account guys, item owned. This way you can add everything in this free items list guys. Whatever you want this list you can add it guys. And I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.